Stand up.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We were from group 7 in here, so we're gonna introduce ourselves first. My name is Asfiar Sofyan, absent 6. Absent number 6 from class 12 2.
My name is Nizrina Sasaburaya, number 26.
My name is Firpa Satobarani, number 10.
Before we start, I'm gonna having an apology if we were having some trouble in the middle of the show. So enjoy. Hello everyone. Today is in this Mother Talk show. We're gonna having a special topic in here, trending lately. So we're gonna having a special topic about music, especially in the pop music that were really popular this week. So before we started, we're gonna having a special influencer from TikTok in here. We're gonna introduce
This is Raya.
Mr. Bintang. Mr. Tos.
Okay, so with our special guest in this year, as we can see that in this statistic, we're having really good topic about this pop music. So about that, Mr. Bintang, what do you think about this music genre?
I think this genre is popular because of the younger generation. The younger generation is more attractive to pop music.
Ooh, that was interesting. What about you, Mr. Chuzi?
I think pop and hop because older pop music is actually is the younger generation.
So, do you think the younger generation is the only reason? What do you think about that, Mrs. Raya?
I think I agree with that, but I don't think the point where Mr. Minam saying that the younger generation is the only reason that pop music popular.
Wow. So, about that, Mr. Chuzi, that the older generation pop music is actually modern. What do you think about the older generation music and pop music? Right, Mrs. Raya?
So about that, I think I agree with this genre of music. But I think the new generation of music pop is not meant to be older people. That make older people is very uncomfortable because market mean for younger generation.
Okay, that's very interesting opinion actually. But how about you, Mr. Chuzi and Mr. Bintang?
Yeah, I think I'm agree with that. Some people have music taste, especially older people. Yeah, that's right. But from other people also listening to new generation pop music, but not more often the younger generation.
That was very interesting opinion for that. So, to the following question about this, what is the impact of this new generation pop music lately? Mr. Chuzi?
In my opinion, this new generation pop music is giving personal art, personal art, pop music. Pop music is very popular this week. Because of that, I think it
That makes the pop music really, really popular, right? But I think the era of this generation and new generation of pop music is good with this generation. I mean, you know, the older people are not only singing for new generation or older, but the both. So what do you think? Okay, so you're gonna give me more suggestion about that, Mrs. Raya or Mr. Bintang?
Yeah, me too.
no, I don't need the perfect opinion from you.
Okay, that's all. I think this guy's opinion is really, really great and not too perfect for my opinion, but I think it's okay. So, thank you for Mrs. Raya, Mr. Bina, and Mr. Choshi for attending this Smarter Talk Show. Thank you for the great opinion of this topic. Thank you so much, and we were gonna finish this Smarter Talk Show. Thank you everyone, and say goodbye.